Check out this 2005 Mazda MPV. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power windows, an AM/FM stereo, power mirrors, an alarm system, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.